Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Motorola Edge 60 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data to avoid some charges from your carrier. And the second thing, which is really important right now before we will start, is that you will have to have the Google account added to the device. You can either do it after entering the Play Store, but before updating the apps, or you can try and check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device if you don't want to do it alone. So it is really important because without it you won't be able to follow my steps. Alright, so we've got it covered, so now we can enter the Play Store finally. So let's tap on it. And here, after logging in, you have to tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is your account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device, not Notifications and Offers, Manage Apps and Device, and then tap on Manage here. Now we have to tap on Updates Available, and as you can see in my case I've got 34 updates pending. And of course we can update all of those apps, but also we can choose specific options. So I'll choose maybe Google Drive. Just mark the option, not enter, Google Drive, Google Maps, and Messages. So if you want to update something, just mark it and then tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.